Hello, this is Westgate Real Estate and Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 515 4th Street in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located directly across from Rohnert Park. Just a really sweet, lovely park, really close to downtown Petaluma. The owner's done a lot of really nice features to this home and did a pretty major extension. It's a sweet front porch, really cute knocker. You come in to the living room and dining room combination. So there is carpet in front of the fireplace, but a really lovely fireplace, lots of built-ins, and this would be the dining room. Then I'm going to stand back so you can see kind of the whole architecture here in this room. Just a really nice open space. There is a loft up here. I will not be climbing with the video, so I won't be able to keep the camera still, but come to one of our open houses so you can see that space. Really cool up there, not for sleeping. So addition built-ins here, open kitchen and an area for a table, gas range. Then there's a sweet porch off the kitchen, just really sweet and sunny, private, just really a nice area. And through these bifold doors is where the washer and dryer are located. Hall bathroom with tub and shower combination. Bedroom. And then, I will take you to the primary suite, which has just been added. Has vaulted ceilings. Really spacious room with double French doors out to a private deck and a really sweet backyard. And this does have a mini split for this part of the home. And then there's a bathroom, kind of, I would describe this as a dressing bathroom combination. So closet is located here. Beautiful shower, rain shower, nice skylight, privacy toilet. And I will come back in here so you can see how cool this room is. So again, this is 515 4th Street in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.